Oh, damn. Look at them legs. Holy shit. Think it's going down today or what, man?
We got 45 minutes, my brother.
Hey, man, we out here at Forest Lake playing rain golf. Two idiots, man.
Two true fools. Yeah.
You know, we didn't get out so long that we dying to get out that we willing to play through this bullshit.
Death lurking in the air. So if this is the last time y'all see us,
Hey,
you know what I'm saying? I love y'all.
Peace out, man.
Peace out, man. We went out the way we wanted to go out. You know what I'm saying? Playing this foolish game. Oh, look here. Well, we need prep.
Yeah, it's rough out here, man.
We need prep. Fools.
It's rough. Idiots.
Two fools.
Idiots. Watt's laughing his ass off at us right now.
He said, why come to
death? Two fools out at work.
Why would I come to death?
First hole, got a car. No driver, 5 irons, 9 iron, wedge, putt. That's what I'm talking about. In the rain. In the motherfucking rain. Gotta get it next time. Alright, before we go, man, here we are again, trying it again, man. It's Saturday. Yesterday we got rained out, and today is too goddamn hot.
Yeah.
It's like 100 degrees out here.
Yeah, stroke.
But because we want to play,
yeah,
that's what we got to do, man. So we out here at Castleberry.
Psychologically
beautiful outside, as y'all can
up.
see.
Beautiful.
All right, we're hole number 2. This is a big debate on this hole.
You see, okay, Watts, let me tell you something. Now, there's a tree kind of impeding our visual sight to that green. But if you can look around the tree, look around this tree, you'll see the yellow flag and it's on a straight line with this blue. Nigga, you was wrong.
Where are we hitting from?
We hitting from the blues, right there. It's still straight. Don't you start.
I just got a question, man.
Don't you still straight.
If it's straight,
This is straight.
why you ain't going for the green?
You can't.
Why?
They got fairway to the left, but the green is straight. Now if you hit a driver and you hit it right. Straight on the green.
Oh,
Straight shot.
On the green on number 2. You see that, Watts? On
Shot. I ain't had to go around no tree.
went over the tree
Straight shot. Draw.
with a nice little draw. See me, I gotta lay up because I can't hit no shots like that. I'm just trying to get to the bridge. Clark.
Par 4. First shot landed in the water. Took a drop.
Where'd you take a drop at?
Right there.
Right by those 4 trees, right?
Palm trees right there.
Uh-huh.
Took a wedge. Followed us on there. Right here. Down in there. Hole in 1, baby. Now that's a birdie for you.
Yeah, man.
That's
Hell
a
of a birdie, bro.
Thank you. What's up, little bro?
What up, Dex, man? You know, our phones keep going off, man, with all these damn texts talking about this foolishness that happened yesterday.
That's right. You thought we was fools yesterday? We fools today.
Yeah, nigga. Where you think we at today? On the golf course. Sweating our ass off.
125 degrees out here, brother.
Hey, but it ain't rainy golf though.
That's right.
It's more like heat golf.
Yeah, this golf on the flip side.
Yeah, we back out here, man. So you about to get another video. You're gonna get an updated version. Peace.
Peace.